Hello friends, my name is Tushar and today we are going to talk about the question matrix chain multiplication. So the question is, given certain number of matrices, in what order should they be multiplied such that the cost of multiplication is minimum? Let's take an example here. I have four matrices here, 2, 3, 3, 6, 6, 4 and 4, 5. In what order should I multiply them such that the cost of multiplication is minimum? Remember, the final result is going to be same no matter the order of the multiplication. It's just we are trying to minimize the cost of the multiplication. So let's look at an example. If I multiply 0, 1 first and 2, 3 later on, and then the result of this is multiplied with this, let's see what the cost will be. So if I multiply this, the cost will be 2 into whatever is common here, 3 into 6, plus the cost of multiplying this will be 6 into 4 into 5, plus cost of multiplying this will be 2 into 3, 2 into 6 into 5. So this is 36 plus 120, this is 24, so 120 plus 60. So this will be 180 plus 36, 216. So if I multiply 0, 1 first, 2, 3 later on, and then the result of 0, 1 with 2, 3, the total cost is 216. Let's see what is the total cost when I multiply in this order. Let's multiply 0 and 1 first. So 2 into 3 into 6 plus the result of this with this, so 2 into 6 into 4, plus the result of this with this, so 2 into 4 into 5. So this is 36 plus 48 plus 40. So this is 88 plus 36, so that's 288 plus 36, so that's 124. So clearly the cost of multiplying this way is much better than cost of multiplying in this order. So the question is, in what order they should be multiplied such that the cost is minimum. So we will use dynamic programming to solve this question. Here I have a 4 cross 4 matrix here because I have four matrices in my set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up this matrix, and here we'll have the final result. So let me start with length 1. When I say length 1, I'm looking at just one matrix at a time. So if I just had one matrix 2 and 3, the cost of multiplying it will be 0 because there is nothing to do. So 0 to 0 is 0. If I was just looking at matrix 3, 6, the cost of multiplying it again would be 0. So 1 to 1 is 0, 2 to 2 is 0, and 3 to 3 is 0. Let's look at length 2. When I'm looking at length 2, first I'm trying to multiply 0 with 1. So the cost of multiplying 0 with 1 is 2 into 3 into 6. 2 into 3 into 6, so that's 36. So 0 to 1 is 36. Let's look at 1 to 2. Cost of multiplying 1 to 2 is 3 into 6 into 4. So this is 18 plus 18 into 4 is 72. So 1 to 2 is 72. Let's multiply 2 to 3. So the cost of multiplying this is 6 into 4 into 5, so this is 120. So cost of multiplying 2 to 3 is 120. Here 2 to 3 means matrix starting at 2 index 2 and ending at index 3. So that's cost is 120. So now let's start with length 3. If my length is 3, I'm trying to multiply 0 to 2 first. So now we have a couple of options here. Either I multiply 0 with the result of 1, 2, or I multiply 0, 1 with the result, or I multiply 2 with the result of 0, 1. So let's try first way. So I'm multiplying 2, 3 with the result of 1, 2. So that's 2. The cost of multiplying 1, 2 is 72. So 72 plus cost of multiplying this with this, so that's 2 into 3 into 4. So 2 into 3 into 4 is 24 plus 72, so that's 96. So that's one way. Other way is we multiply 0, 1 first and then the result with 2. So cost of multiplying 0, 1 first is, we have already calculated, 36, plus the result with 2 will be 2 into 6 into 4. So this is 48 plus 36, so that's 84. So this is better than this. So 0 to 2 will be 84, and we'll also indicate that we multiplied 0, 1 first with the result with 2, 2. Alright, let's try to multiply these three together. So cost of multiplying, let's first multiply 1 with the result of 2, 3. So we know the cost of multiplying 2, 3 is 120, and multiplying 1 with the result of 2, 3. So 1 is 3 into 6 into 5. So this is 18 into 5, 90. So that's 210. Second is, let's try to multiply 1, 2 first. The cost of multiplying 1 and 2 is 72. Plus result of this, so that's 3 into 4 into 5. This is 12 into 5 is 60. 60 plus 72 is 132. So this is way less than this. So 1 to 3 will be 132. And we'll also indicate that we multiplied 1 and 2 first with the result of 3 and 3. Alright, let's do L is equal to 4, the entire set. Alright, if I'm multiplying 0 with the result of 1, 2, 3, the cost will be, the cost to get 1, 2, minimum cost to get 1, 2, 3 is 132, plus the result will be 2 into 3 into 5. So that's 630, so that's 162. Let's do another one. Let's try to multiply the result of this with the result of this. So we already know cost to get 0, 1 is 36. Cost to get 2, 3 is 120. Plus the result of this with this will be 2 into 6 into 5. So this is 2 into 6 into 5 is 60. 60 plus 180, so 216. Let's do the last one. So here we are trying to multiply the result of this with this. So we already know that what it costs to multiply 0 to 2. So that's 84. Plus the result of this will be 2 cross 4 cross 5. So this is 8 and 40, so that's 124. So this is our answer right here. So the minimum cost to multiply these four matrices will be 124. And let's denote that we multiplied 0 to 3 with 4 cross 4. Alright. So now if someone asks you what is the actual order, we know that 124 is the minimum cost, but what is the order in which to multiply? So we'll track back from here. So we know that we multiplied 0, 3 with 4, 4. We know that we multiplied 0, 3 with 4, 4. So we know that 0 to 2 with 3, 3. So we know that 0, 1, 2 is together and 3 is by itself. Now let's go to 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 is here. So here we can see that we multiplied 0, 1 first and then 2, 2. So 0, 1, the result with 2, and the entire result with 3. So this is the order in which you should multiply them. 0 and 1 first, the result of 0 and 1 with 2, and the result of 0 to 2 with 3. Let me quickly write the formula for this one. T of I j is equal to min of t of I k plus t of k plus 1 j plus, let's call this first and let's call this second. So value of first, value I first into value k second into value j second. If you want the full solution for this problem, go to my GitHub link, github.com, mission piece interview wiki. If you want to check out similar questions, go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com, user Tusharoy2525. Thanks for watching this video.